Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to buy Bitcoin in your Near wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Near wallet. So once you tap it open, it will take some time to load itself up. However, it will redirect you to the page where you need to type in your PIN code to get back to your account. Once you get back to your account, simply tap on the buy option, and once you tap on buy, all you need to do is simply select the currency you want to buy your Bitcoin in. So once you tap on the currency section, you can choose your preferred currency and type in the number or amount you want to pay. So once you do this, tap on buy now, and once you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on buy near. So after doing this, you will have to now enter your email address, and once you enter your email, a verification code will be sent to your email. Then hit the continue button and then fill in the personal details and the prompts that are asked. Once you have completed this, you can simply buy Bitcoin in your Near wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.